to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So this is the start of my tablescape. I want to show you the centerpiece. I am hosting the Autism Awareness Month collaboration, and it is a freestyle collab, so I am going to go ahead and do a tablescape for you. And look how beautiful that centerpiece looks. So let's walk around and let me show you what I have done here. So I do have this yellow tablecloth. It was thrifted, and I placed that in the center here because it didn't go all the way from one end of the table to the other. Then I went ahead, and this is also thrifted. It's very beautiful. And I decided to use this piece of cloth here as a runner. Look how nice that looks. Now this is a DIY floral piece. Isn't that beautiful? You can use that with anything. You can place this on top of a vase. I just did not connect this to anything because I wanted to utilize it in the tablescape. So we have this candle holder here, which is, this is thrifted from the Goodwill. The candle came from Dollar Tree. These candle holders, okay, they came from the Dollar Tree, so did those spiral candles. Now, this ginger jar right here, that came from the Goodwill. So that was bouncing around, moving around all over the Goodwill for a couple of weeks. And then I said, yes, that had my name on it, so I picked it up. This here is a puzzle piece, okay, bringing awareness to autism. And then I decided to put these napkins that I had already rolled up right next to it. I think it looks really nice. Now, these tulips here, this was a DIY, by the way. These tulips here, they came from Michael's. The greenery came from the Dollar Tree, including these olive branches. Now, right in here, you'll see the center floral. I took that apart, and then I put the puzzle pieces. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So the puzzle pieces, that was my centerpiece there. And I thought that arrangement came out nice. Now this was something that I thrifted. Isn't that adorable? That symbolizes the home. And then since I decided that I wanted to put some pops of yellow, I decided to go ahead and use the lemons. Isn't that nice? This vase right here was a DIY with crushed glass and gold. There are some lemons here. This was also a DIY using BB Craft items. And then I put some lemons in there. And I think these lemons came from the Dollar Tree. And here is the other floral, half floral piece there that I DIY'd along with that one. So the centerpiece came out absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is to bring awareness to autism. So let's go ahead and decorate the table, guys. All right, so let me just mention that again. This video is a part of a collaboration called Autism Awareness Month Collab. And this is to bring awareness to autism. So let's get started, guys. We're going to be decorating a tablescape here, but it is a freestyle collab. Hosting with me is Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and any co-host I will be linking below in the description box. So Autism Awareness Month is a month-long observance focused on raising awareness about autism spectrum disorders, what it means to be autistic, how to support autistic people, and the difficulties and discriminations that autistic people face. So let's talk a little bit about autism. So it is a developmental disability caused by differences in the brain. So people with ASD often have problems with social communication and interaction, and restricted or repetitive behaviors or interests. Now, people with ASD may also have different ways of learning, moving, or even paying attention. Now, in many places, Autism Awareness Month is a big deal. People raise donations and they show autism-related social media posts and they hold rallies. It's time to spread awareness of the challenges and celebrate the differences of those affected by autism. recognizing that acceptance is a key factor in building strong support systems. So we do have lots of organizations out there. I'm going to try to link one below. Continues to raise awareness and foster understanding. And ultimately, the goal of Autism Acceptance Month is to be more inclusive of the community it seeks to celebrate. It promotes not just education about the differences of people with autism, but understanding and respecting them. Most of all, we need to pray. Okay, let's head on over to the video here. Let me tell you what I placed down. So we have that sunflower plate. I did thrift that. I'm looking for at least another one. Definitely a great buy. Then we have the placemats. So the placemats, the woven ones, those came from Hobby Lobby. Then the Dollar Tree was carrying this runner for the summer, and it was in green. I thought this would be great to place on the table for color. Those navy blue plates, they did come from the Dollar Tree. Now these white and yellow plates, they came from Pottery Barn and they were thrifted items. Then we have the water glasses. The water glasses that I'm about to place on the table, those were from the Dollar Tree. Now the gold napkins, they were thrifted also. I'm having a ball thrifting. And then I also thrifted the napkin holders which are those roosters. They're so cute. And they also brought a lot of color to the table. Now the flatware did come from Aldi, and now we're lighting the candles. We're gonna head on over to the reveal. I'm so excited. Now make sure and head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month of April. And I'm very excited about those too. So I just want to thank Debbie Cabasa and anyone else who joined me in this collaboration. They will be linked below, as I said before. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.